Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the third webinar of ICode Global Hackathon. Okay, so I think anybody new? Okay, good. So, before starting the today's webinar, okay, let's have a quick revision of the previous level completed and concepts learned. Okay, we started previous webinar from level 2, and as you could see my screen, we are on level unit 1, level 2. Okay, here we have learned about the uh, backward command, right? We know that a dev dot step and this parenthesis or the bracket, the number here represent the number of steps dev our robot will take, right? And the backward command that we have learned, if we want our robot, the dev, to move backward, we will use -8. Okay, minus or the number of the steps we want our robot to take. Okay, so here it is, Dave dot on this level we are level 2. What will happen is Dave first will take 4 steps forward, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 8 steps backward, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I have told you that you don't have to count. Okay, what you can do is you could check the value of x here. Right now it is 4, and here in this item, the value of x is 12. So you could easily subtract them, and the number you get, you could put directly on this in between the bracket. Okay, let's click on the run button. Complete, right? All 3 stars and cross. Now let's move to the level 3. It's same here in this level. What we have learned, we were introduced to a new command which is turn left, right? Which is a directional command that we have learned. So if you want to move or turn, I would prefer turn. If you want to turn our robot, the wave, to left or right, you could use this command, dot turn left. Instead of writing, you can just click on this turn left option over here at the bottom, and it will just come up. Okay, so using this command, we can turn our sprite or robot. Let's click on this. Other command, the command on line number 7, Dave.stop. Dave, that step 4, we already know what does it do. Okay, good. Okay, here in this level, what we have learned, we combine the commands, right? We combine the movement command and the directional command, and with that we collected all the items on the screen. You could see 4 right over here. Okay, so we have also learned that if we want to get all the 3 stars in a level, we have to meet the criteria, right? And what were the criteria? Any one of you who have taken the previous webinar could write down on the chat. When we will get the 1 star? Tell me. The question is, we have to meet the criteria to get 3 stars, right? So I'm asking, if we complete the mission, how much star we will get? 1 star, right? Least number of steps and most efficient, yes, as well as completing the task. Very good, very good. So I will repeat for all the participants here. Okay, if we complete the mission, we will get 1 star. If we take right number of steps, we will get 1 star. And if we write down or take right number of commands, then we will get the 3rd star, right? All these 3 criteria met, we will get 3 stars. And 3 star, to get 3 star is very important to go to level 2. Okay, right now we are on level 1. If you took all the stars, you will be able to proceed to level 2. Okay, move on. See, right number of To complete the mission, I got 1 star. Right number of steps, 17 out of 70. I got 1 star, and right number of commands, 6 out of 6. I got 1 star for it. All of it completed. That means 3 stars. It's the same thing. Okay. So we'll move to level 7. Okay. On this level, level 7, we were introduced to I introduced you to a new sprite, which is spaceship. Okay. This spaceship, uh, uh, the directional, if you want to move the spaceship, we will use the same command that we use in the case of Dave. Okay. That is dot step. Okay. Here 4 represent the number of steps this spaceship will take. Okay. So if in the output area you are not able to locate the number of steps it would take, you could use this option here, this map option. Okay. If you click here, you will get the grid. So you will be able to easily count the number of steps we need to take for the spaceship. These sort of steps, commands can't work on spaceship. No, Ritvik, commands work on the spaceship. Which negative you are talking about the negative? Yeah, yeah. The backward command. Yes, Ritvik, you are right. All of you, please note that the negative command is the backward command, right? In case of Dave, if you want to move the Dave to the back to the backward movement, right? We cannot do that in case of spaceship. It will not move backward. Okay. So we click on the run button, and here it is. We have completed the level, met all the criteria, and 3 star for us. Okay, this is a simple one. I think anyone could do that, right? Go to the next level, the level 9. This was the last level that we have completed in the previous webinar. So here, what was new to us, that in this level, we came to know about the directional command of the spaceship. Okay, so if we want to turn the spaceship, we would use same as in the case of Dave we have used, that is dot turn left to move to the left side, dot turn right to move to the right side. The important thing to note here is while Dave was on the spaceship and the spaceship was turning, but there was no change in the directional movement of the Dave, right? Please observe it very carefully. You will note right now in this level. Please have a look. Look at the Dave movement, okay? Directional movement. I will zoom in. With this option, you can zoom in, okay? And I click on the run button. So see, spaceship is turning, but Dave's directional movements are not changing. Okay? This thing you have to keep in your mind. So any doubt till now? If you have any doubt, you could leave your doubt in the chat box, okay? Okay, okay, yeah, Vishwan, any doubt? You can write down your comments on the chat box. So me is saying no, okay. Everyone is saying no, so let's just also say no. Okay, let's move to a new level, which is level 9. Okay, so who will tell me what should what command should I write? Which one is better one? Okay, first Ritvik, let's start with you. Okay, so first thing what we have to do here is Dave dot step 3. Okay, okay, Dave dot step 3. Done. After that, spaceship dot turn left. Okay, spaceship dot turn left twice. Okay, done. After that, spaceship step 5. Okay. Spaceship step 9. Okay, let me open up the grid. Now count 5. Okay, it was a typing error. Okay. So spaceship step 5. Okay, let's click on the button. This is the code. Okay, perfect. We have got the 3 star for completing the mission, taking right number of steps and writing right number of commands. Very good, all of you. Okay, you have done a good job. Now tell me, it's a little bit complex, right? Okay, tell me. Okay, Dave dot step. How much? Okay, I've enabled the grid and I will do one more thing. I will zoom in a little bit. Just we can share the whole code. Okay, good. We will go one by one. Okay, don't write down the whole code. We will go step by step. No, no, you could use, but I will introduce the I1, the I range command when the times come, when the level, in the correct time, I will show it to you. Right now, it is not a time. Okay. First, we will do it without the I range. Okay, Dave dot step, how many? -2. Perfect. After that, now Dave is on the ship. Spaceship step 6. Okay. Spaceship step 6. Perfect. After that, spaceship turn left. Okay. Spaceship, spaceship turn left. Perfect. Spaceship step 5. Okay. After that, again left. Okay. Spaceship turn left. Perfect. And how many steps? Step 4. Spaceship step and 4. Let's check if our code is efficient, accurate, and or we have taken the right number of steps or not. Okay. Well done. Very good. We have taken, we have met all the criteria. So we have got the right number of stars. Okay, now let's start with this level 12. Where should I go? Tell me. This week is say spaceship dot step 5. I will open the grid for all of you. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everyone. Should I go this side? 5? Yes, yes. Okay. 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 Spaceship step 5. Then spaceship step -10. Priyanshu, as I've told you earlier also, that spaceship cannot go backward. Okay. Only Dave can go backward. With spaceship, you cannot move backward. You have to turn the spaceship. Okay. Very good. Ritvik has written the right command. Spaceship dot left. Don't turn left. Turn left. Perfect. Don't write the whole commands. Okay. We will go step by step. Otherwise, everyone will get confused. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we will turn left 2 times. Spaceship dot turn left. Okay. Then again our spaceship will turn left. Okay. And then after that, tell me in the comment section how many steps. 10 steps. Okay, 10 steps. Okay, now our spaceship is over here. 10. Yeah, okay, now our spaceship is over here. Then after that, left and left again, right? Yes, because it cannot take backward steps, so we have to turn our spaceship. Spaceship, turn left, okay. Then again our spaceship, turn left. Then how many steps? Spaceship, not 5 steps. Okay, 5 steps. Okay, spaceship, step here in between the bracket, I will write down the number of steps, that is 5. Okay, then after that, which direction I should turn? Left. Okay, I will turn left, left. Okay, then how many steps? 4. Then after that, okay, 2 times we have to turn our spaceship. Spaceship, dot turn left, spaceship, dot turn left. Okay, then how many steps? 8. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Perfect. Spaceship, step. Okay. Let's run the command, let's run the code and see is the code efficient or not. Okay, well done. We have got 3 stars. Okay, anyone who is having any doubt till now, you could write down me on the comment section. Okay. Okay. So let's move to the new level 13. Okay. Here I will introduce you to a new command which is for I in range 3. Okay. With this, it's like a repetition. If there is some repetition in the code, okay, if you want to repeat a command, we will use this command here. Okay. For I in range 3. Right now, the number in the bracket, yeah, for loop reaction. Okay. For repeating. So the in the bracket there is a number, right? This number represents how many times it should repeat, how many times the code should repeat itself. Okay, so it is written here 3. Okay, so Dev dot turn right, and after that it will follow Dev dot step 4. So it will turn right. Our robot will turn right. Then it will take 1, 2, 3, 4, and then again it will turn right. Okay, and then it will take 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, then it will turn right, and then it will take 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Uh, and one more important thing here is that you need to, you know, this, you could see that there's a gap, there's a space between it, right? 3 space or 4 spaces between this, and it is very important. It will automatically happen if you use this column over here. I will show it to you indentation, guys. Right, indentation also we could say, but in simple language, I will say it's a gap. Okay. If, for example, you write down like this, okay, and if I click, I write the code without the gap, okay, and I click on the run. See what is it showing? There is an error in the 7th line of code. Pay attention to the indentation. Python's requirements for indentations are very strict. Okay, so if you run your code without indentation, your code will not run. It will show an error. Okay. So what I will do is, okay, see, if I take my cursor over here and if I have column here, okay, after that, if I my cursor is there and I press enter, it will automatically take the gap. Okay, then I will write down the command and then click on the run button. So in loop it is happening. We don't have to write this command for directional command and the movement command 3 times. Okay, we have to just write it down only 1 time. So have a look here. We have got 3 stars. Okay, so let's move to the next. Okay, now let me know what should I do. The first command, what it would be. And then you can use tab button. Yeah, you could use tab button also to get the right indentation. That is also correct. For I in range 4 times you want to repeat it. Okay. So this is a shortcut for you. Okay, if you want to write down. Okay, you click on this button, you will get this code written over the 4th line. For I in range, then parentheses and colon. Okay, then Dave dot step 5 and then turn left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let me open the grid system. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then turn left. Yes, everyone. Okay, perfect. I'm getting the same command from everyone. So I'm writing the command over here. Save dot step. Here in the bracket, I will write down the number of steps it will take. Okay, and then the directional command save dot turn left. Okay, and how many times I have to repeat? 4. Perfect. Let's click on the run. Okay, perfect. So indentation and the for I range command. Okay, repeating command that we are using. Does anyone have any doubt still here? Everything is clear. It's simple, right? Yes. Don't forget the indentation. Okay, you can either use the tab button for the indentation, or after the colon you can press the enter button. Okay, the gap will be automatically taken by the system. Perfect. Let's move to the next level. Right now we are on the level 15 here. Okay, and okay, so let's start this. First of all, let me zoom in a little bit. Okay, open the grid system. Perfect. Now tell me the first thing. Have a good look. Okay, Pratik is saying for I in range 0, comma 3. What does that mean? Okay, for I in range 3. I think it's a typing error. Okay. For an I in range. Okay, we will talk about the range, the number in the parentheses later on. First, let's see how much steps does this little robot needs to take, right? So 1, 2, 3. Dave step 3. Perfect. Okay. I will write down Dave dot step and 3. Then after that, which direction it will take? Dave dot turn right. Perfect. Dave dot turn right. Okay. So right now our little robot is here. Then again it will take 1 step. Right. Perfect. Okay. I missed that. Dave dot step and then 1. Yeah. So our robot is now here. Then it will change the direction. Perfect. Very good, Priyanshu. Very good, Ritvik. Dave turn left, and then I should write down the command, or should I? This is all I need to write down, and then I can go for. I should run it. I should write. Okay. Then how many times I should repeat it? Here, 3 times, right? 1, 2, 3. 3 things he has to collect. So I will write down 3 over here. Okay, and then let's click on the run button and see our result. Perfect. Well done. So we have advanced to one more level here. Okay. Perfect. Let me zoom in a little bit, open the grid system. For I in range, we will talk about the number of steps inside this, how much repetition it has to take. We will discuss it about later on. First, tell me, what should I do after that? Okay, Dave should turn left. Everyone, okay, everyone is writing this, so I will take this. Dave dot turn left. Perfect. And okay, Dave dot step two. Yeah, it's very obvious because only two grid here. So I will write down Dave dot step and that's two. Okay. And we have to change the direction. Yes, right is the only option that we have. Dave dot turn right. Perfect. Then Priyanshu is writing Dave dot step two. So we'll, yes, obviously we need to take two steps. Okay. For me, it is also writing Dave dot step two. Very good. Okay. After this, he has taken two steps. That's all, right? Okay. How many times we have to repeat? Three. Very good repeat. Three. Let's see if we run the code. Do we get all the stars or not? Okay. Perfect. We get all the stars. Now we are on the level 17. Okay. Now spaceship is here. Okay. It will be interesting now. Let's do it, guys. Write down the comment. So first of all, I should write this or something else. Okay, Dave dot step one, right? Yeah. Because right now Dave is not on the ship. First we will make Dave to go to board on the ship. So Dave dot step, number of steps Dave needs to take one. After that, for I in range. Yeah, we will take for I in range. We will talk about the number of repetition later on. Okay, then indentation. Indentation is very important. I'm repeating again. Then okay, spaceship dot step three. Ritvik and Priyanshu saying spaceship dot step number of steps the spaceship has to take inside the bracket, that is 3. Then spaceship dot turn right. Okay, Ritvik, Priyanshu, Pramit, all are saying spaceship dot turn right. Okay, spaceship has taken right. That's all. Or do I have to write anything else in the code section? Yes, then nothing else. Okay, so in the range, how many times it should repeat? 3. Okay, we click on the run button. 2 and 3. Perfect. Yes, we have again got all the 3 stars. Perfect. Okay, so let's, we have completed level number 17. Okay, so today's webinar, we will wrap it up from here only. Okay, but before wrapping up, I just want to ask, in today's webinar, any doubts you have? Anyone? No. Perfect. So in this webinar, what we have learned, what was the new topic that we have learned? The repetition command, right? For I in range. Yeah, date of the qualifier. You want to ask when the competition will start, right? Ashwin? Basic 2 in level 1. Yeah, Ritvik, when we come to the level 2, we will discuss it. But for now, we will follow the order, right? I was wondering if the date could be modified a bit. No, 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 no. The dates cannot be modified because it's same for all the students, right? Okay, Ashwin? It cannot be changed. It cannot be modified. Qualify, it's the international level competition, so we cannot change the date. Yes. Any other doubts? Anyone have? You just have to practice. If you get the idea, I know, see, we don't have much time, but you, you do it, you complete as much as you can so that you have a good idea, right? Ritwik? No one can finish the 5 levels in a short span of time, but you will get a good idea of how to do it. Yeah, I understand, Yashwant, you could talk to our, our team regarding this, okay? But the date cannot be changed. I'm sorry for that. Priyanshu, the topics, it will be based on the game that you are playing right now, okay? In this, it will be based on this only. Okay. Any other doubt? Does anyone have any other doubt? Any doubts they have? Please write down in the comment section. From 1st of September, it will start for loop. Okay, Priyanshu, from 1st of September. For loop by loop, and I think that's why I've changed. Yeah, yeah. The topics that are covered in the levels only from that topic they will ask. Okay. Yes, 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 sure. All this is are important. Okay, and you can make a call to our team. Okay, and they will explain to you in a better way about the qualifier. They will clear your doubts. The answer is very good. You can get the contact number in the email that you have received now. In the starting, when you registered for the hackathon, you must have got this email from them. Go there, it will have a number. Okay, you can call them, and whatever doubts regarding the hackathon qualifier, you can ask them. Any doubts regarding the levels, regarding the code? No. Okay. So this is all for the third webinar. Okay. I will meet you in the fourth webinar, which is the last one. Okay. So do practice out, note them down. I will clear them in the next. Okay. Till then, take care. Have a good day. Bye bye. Welcome everyone.